Hi there. I'm sure you are like me, most of us are probably enjoying the evolution of AI, seeing the power of it come to fruition, seeing how it improves, every iteration improves, seeing the incredible things that AI can do and will do in the future, and a lot of speculation about that, and a lot of projections and a lot of opinions about what AI will do in the future. But already, if you engage some of the tools, you will be so impressed with its speed, its abilities, its incredible power. Suddenly, intelligence is being automated. And this is something incredible to behold. As I've been watching this power unfold in front of my very eyes, I decided we need to do an exercise and see what AI will never take away from humans, from us, from me and you. What is there? Because it's going to take away a lot. If AI can operate like the best surgeons in the next few years, as Elon Musk predicts, then it's going to take away a lot, potentially. What will it never take away from us? And as we uncovered these themes, we came up with 8. And you may have seen these on my feed or in my communications. First, I thought these are skills, these are capabilities, and then we realized, no, hold on, these are powers. These are our unique human powers to counterbalance the AI powers, and together with the AI powers, make this a better world. If we do it together, not in competition, I realize that we cannot compete with AI on its powers. But you know what? It also cannot compete with us on our powers. But a lot of us as humans don't realize what these powers are, that we have certain powers. A lot of human beings are giving away a lot of their power because they're not aware of it. And because they, in a way, find their power in prosperity, in position, in prestige, in the P's, as I call them. Or they just relent, give over to AI, or try and compete with intelligence or speed. Just not possible. AI is slowly making its way into our physical world through machines and robots. It is an incredible time to be alive, but only if we as human beings discover and improve exponentially our powers as AI is improving exponentially its powers. I'm bowled away by this, and as I started consciously working on my powers and implementing them, practicing them in my life, I'm exceptionally excited to share it with you and to get more of you to share how you are implementing them and improving them and the difference it's making in your life as a leader, as a father, as a mother, as just a human being. In your work environment, church environment, doesn't matter where. I want to briefly speak about these 8 powers now. And then in the next few months, weeks, years, we'll be sharing content on these powers, on how to improve it, how it's impacting people's lives. You and I need to consciously work on these powers. We need to operationalize them in our lives, in our businesses, in our families. If we don't, AI will take over much more than it ought to. What we've done as well inside our platform, Me Vision Academy on thinklead.app, is to certify these under the banner of an IA in the AI era. An IA is an improvement architect, someone who is fanatical about improving their powers and architecting society in such a way that others can improve their powers, helping us improve with the same passion and exponential speed the human powers as trillions of rands and hundreds of billions of dollars are being poured into AI and robots so that it can exponentially improve its powers. But you and I need to do the same with us as human beings. So over the next few weeks, we'll be talking about these powers and how they practically make a difference in your work environment, in your life, in your family. And as I say, if you want to certify yourself as an improvement architect, which will make you an exceptionally valuable human being and leader in your current environment, it will ensure your future because you are becoming efficient and more powerful as a human being by practicing and living and certifying these 8 powers. What are these 8 powers? The first one is agency. Agency means direction. You and I have the power to choose a direction in this moment, a direction in our lives, a direction in our company. That is power. You can choose this way or that way. Every single day, we implement this power without consciously trying to improve it and realizing that it is a power. It's not just a gift. That's agency. We'll be talking about that a lot. The second one is accountability. That means consequences. I have the power to consciously accept and take accountability, be responsible for consequences, intended or unintended. The consequences of my decisions, of my choices, my agency. That is a power. It's something AI can't do. Whatever we make AI do, we will be accountable. We choose all the options that AI gives us and the robots potentially. More and more robots will also act, but we will be accountable. The third one is moral judgment. That's your conscience. You and I have the power to know what's right and wrong in general. Of course, eventually we differ in some ways based on our values and our backgrounds. But in general, in society, we all apply moral judgment. And if you realize this is a power that you have to choose between right and wrong, to choose a course based on that moral judgment, it is a power that we have. The next one is commitment. Commitment implies sacrifice. You and I have the power to commit to that direction, to commit to an action, to commit to a goal, anything. Commit to our company's values and vision and mission, to commit to our plan, our business plan, our production plan, whatever it is. We have the power to do that. And that means sacrifice. With great commitment comes sacrifice. Sacrificing fun, sacrificing chocolate if you want to get into shape. There's always sacrifice in order to stick with your commitment. The fifth one is relationship. Trust in relationship. Relationship with myself. Do I trust myself? Do I have a strong relationship with who I am? Do I know who I am? Relationship with others, family, friends, colleagues, our leaders. Trust in relationship through vulnerability, through service, through caring, all of those. AI cannot build relationship. It's superficial, it's clinical. You and I need to build relationship. The sixth one is faith. Faith is a powerful one. We're not talking religion. You and I live off of faith. We go to bed with the faith that tomorrow will happen. In fact, it goes hand in hand with number 7, which is hope. We have appointments in the diary. We invest capital in huge projects. We put a business plan on the table, hoping that we will be able to achieve it. And based on that hope in a better future, in a better tomorrow, hope that these appointments that I have made for this coming week will take place, we then act. That's faith. So hope gives us a better future. It's that bounce back power. It creates resilience together with faith. Faith is when I move forward, that I have faith that I speak of. Human beings are propelled forward by faith every single day. I do not know what's going to happen with me in the next 5 minutes, but I act and move forward with faith, believing the rest of the day will happen, hoping it's going to be a better day. So that is number 7, is hope, and bounce back power, that when we have a bad day, we can hope for a better future. It's a human power that we have. It's not something AI or any machine can do. And the final one is love, or the heart. We have the heart, not just the brain. We have the heart, and that makes all the difference. That gives us power that we cannot even imagine. We have the power to love ourselves, to love God, to love human beings, starting with our family, friends, colleagues. We have the power to love nature, animals, to love life. We can love. And if we truly love and care, relationships will go to a whole new level. Love is a power that we have that AI and machines can never have. These are the 8 human powers. They are not just skills or nice to haves or anything like that. Because AI can never take these over, they become worth more than gold or Bitcoin or anything on this planet. These powers will ensure a future for us. It'll ensure that we remain the leaders above AI. If we do not become improvement architects, architect the improvement of these powers in all of us, if we don't become IAs by living, breathing, and improving these 8 powers, I don't know what the future will be like. We will lose our confidence. We will lose our future for our generations to come. If we live our powers, we will control or benefit from all the powers that AI and robots possess. If we don't live and improve our powers, we will fade in the face of super intelligence and super speed, super calculation ability, super awareness, super everything. But with these powers, we are meant to be better, stronger, and to build a magnificent future. I look forward to together with you, going on a journey where we explore these powers, where we explore its application. I can say this to you: every single challenge you face, every single challenge a business faces, silos, lack of inspiration, lack of visionary clarity or implementation of plans, execution, all of them trace back to a lack of these powers, a shortage. All of them will improve as leaders consciously start living and practicing these powers. I'm excited to take you on this journey. Come to thinkly.app to certify yourself as an improvement architect, where we apply these powers inside the platform. You take ownership, you're accountable, you choose to participate, you commit, and you receive certificates real time on 5 different levels as you go on this journey. And you are rewarded. Come and check it out. Cheers. Bye.